Soaking some bamboo leaves in the water until soft. With 1 kilogram of glutinous rice and 300 gram of green beans and 100 gram of red bean. We lay out the ingredients on the table for easy access. Grab 2 bamboo leaves and we place 1 scoop of rice as a base. Then we can add our pork mixture and our duck egg yolk in the center. Then we cover the top with some more glutinous rice. Then we draw the 2 sides together tightly and we fold the bottom. Then once that's done, we do the same to the top. Then we grab our straw, we curl one end, then we rotate the other end over the wrap tightly. Then we send the straw through the ring. Then we pull tightly. Then we can wrap this over like a gift wrap, and it's all done. Now let's see this all done again a second time, slowly. Like I said, we grab 2 bamboo leaves, we lay them side by side, and we add a scoop of glutinous rice as a base. Then we can add our mixture, in this case is pork. Then we put 1/2 of duck egg yolk, salty egg yolk, and we finish the top with some glutinous rice. Now we draw the sides together tightly toward the rice, and we fold the bottom over, and then we do the same by folding the top over also. Draw a string, then we fold one end and rotate the other end over the wrap tightly. Then finally we pull it through the hoop and pull it tight, and it's all done. Well, 1 kilogram of glutinous rice can get you so many sticky rice wraps. So now let's put it to cook. Wraps into the pots, then add water to cover, then set at medium heat for 3 hours, and you'll have perfectly done sticky rice wraps. Here you go, they're done now. So we take them out, put them aside, and they're ready to be eaten. Get ourselves a plate and put our wrap on it. We can begin by cutting open the straw to expose the bamboo leaves. Now the bamboo leaves has been cooked with the rice, so the rice will have absorbed all the flavor from the leaf, and this creates a nice subtle aroma in this wrap. As you can see, the wrap has stuck onto the leaves, so it's perfect. Now we can begin by cutting open the inside to expose the inside to see the ingredients. Now we cut it 4 ways so we can see the ingredients clearly on the inside. Now let's see. The ingredients, as you can see, has absorbed nicely into the rice. The egg yolks are well cooked and seasoned. The meat also is nice and soft, as you can see. Now we also have the red bean. It's right there. So this creates a nice mouthful. Let's give it a try. So let's see. We first start by trying the rice first. It's good. The rice is nice and soft. Now let's try a piece of meat with the rice. Let's see if the meat is soft also. Oh yes, it's well seasoned. Thumbs up. So if you like what you see today, don't forget to subscribe. Remember to comment below and let us know if you tried this dish and how it turned out. So also let us know in future episodes what you'd like to see. So until next time, bye now.